everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to share with you the weather update. See, this is called blizzard. I'm just sharing with you the scenery. Though driving is difficult, but it looks so beautiful everywhere. It's nice to watch. Hi friends, you can see the weather. I'm super excited. It's a blizzard that's happening right now, and see how it looks. It's Halifax Infirmary Hospital. Right now I'm on my way back to home. This is Halifax city. We are nearing to a roundabout near Mumford area. So I'm going to show you that. Driving is challenging. See, this is Chocolate Lake. This is Herring Cove Road. Actually, we are driving to Spryfield. See how the weather is. How we drive slowly because of the weather. I like the scene. Thought of sharing with you all. Thanks for watching.